Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update apps on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. To update apps manually, you have to press the digital crown once to open the App Center, then find the App Store and open it. Scroll all the way down this list until you find the account settings. Tap right here, scroll down to the updates option and tap on it, and if there are any updates available, you can select which ones you want to download and install on your watch. And if you want to update apps automatically, you have to return to the apps list and then scroll all the way down to Settings app, tap on it, and now here in Settings you have to scroll down to the App Store, tap right here, and to switch on or off automatic updates you have to switch this toggle either to the left to turn them off or to the right to switch them on. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.